Good enough is usually good enough. Hey, hi, I'm Angel coming at you with another green thought from the greenhouse. And I just finished moving around a few things in the greenhouse. Good enough, not ideal. And also did a little body repair job on my mom's little smart car. And we painted it a little red color that was a little off from the ideal color. And any case, just made it better than it was, good enough, even though it wasn't perfect. And it's got me thinking on how, time goes on. So even though it's awesome to sometimes feel like things are exactly perfect, more often than not, things are good enough. Perfection is something that now and then you get to, and that's kind of fun when you do. But most of the time, B plus, good enough is good enough, and things are going to evolve, things are going to change, things are going to grow, things are going to die, cars are going to get older, some plants are going to bloom and others are going to stop blooming. All that means that all that perfectionism, all that adding or trying to build momentum toward exactly perfect is often just kind of a waste of time and energy, unless you're just really enjoying that, in which case, by all means, do that. Do what you enjoy. And if aiming for perfection makes you happy and feel fulfilled, then that's awesome. But I think a lot of times aiming for perfection keeps us from feeling fulfilled in the journey or feeling satisfied with good enough. And I think it's important to remember that most of the time, good enough is as good as it's going to get. And even if you get it perfect, it's not going to last. The future doesn't last. The past is already gone. So good enough is usually good enough in the greenhouse and in life and in auto body work. Good enough. Good enough. It's my 2 cents for today. I hope you are enjoying whatever level of perfection or good enough that you are indulging in or holding yourself to. And until next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, and playfulness.